I don't think I'm alone when I say I count the late Buddy WEIDER as one of the true gentlemen of stunt and a super talented modeler. Among other things, he just had talent to spare in everything. He built that kit COBRA. I was at his house before he passed away and rode my motorcycle out there, and we talked motorcycles. He had a motorcycle at one time, and he was building an electric plane. He had a gas-powered plane, and we just went on and on. A dedicated modeler, Buddy WEIDER.
Now Buddy's going to do a little show and tell. Here you go, show and tell. Let me see how this worked out. This has been flown, but not a lot. You need trim flights?
Nine flights.
And what was the opinion that?
It flies better than I'm capable of flying.
Okay.
It seems it's a little tail heavy.
Now what is that, reverse turning prop?
Yep.
Okay.
Reverse pitch.
Guess whose idea that was?
Oh, really?
There wouldn't even be props. No, I had these Endurin props too. I have reverse turning carbon 3 blades. That's nice that snapped. Well, you got to get in here so often. A screw would be a pain in the ass.
I agree. And have
nice, huh, John? He did a nice job with the clear. Beautiful.
Getting better.
Beautiful.
Getting better.
Yeah, beautiful.
And this is the little damage you said you got to fix?
Yes. And it's right, there.
That's
so
no
I
big
can,
deal.
I
So
can
even
fix
if you
that up.
paint that little thing black up to the pot, you make a little wind and anti-glare panel.
Yeah.
That's beautiful.
Is that something?
So it came out 49 ounces.
Beautiful. Now how big is this wing? 600?
653.
Okay, so that's a great weight. What's wrong with that?
No, I'm happy.
What would there be not to like about this?
Oh, shit.
It even goes up and down.
Oh, man, how about that?
What more
It
could you
works.
ask for?
Oh, yeah.
What a crybaby.
I know.
Who invited this guy over here? Here comes Adam Musco anyway.
Oh, good.
Now we got some real
Oh,
men
put
here
that
to...
away for I nick it.
Yeah, that looks nice.
You want that beautiful?
I'm getting better. I'm learning.
That's
I'm
beautiful.
learning. No compression though, Wendy.
Yep.
No compression. I
Yep.
don't know what to do about it.
I still want to know from Palco. Now, let me tell you the truth. I told Palco about the reverse turning props, I think a year or 2 years ago. And I think I gave him one of my reverse turning
this
3
young man?
blades.
Who's this young
And
man?
I asked him, just try it. If it is there any improvement or no improvement?
I don't have any
You know what?
basis because I haven't put a regular turning prop on it.
So you don't know.
No.
Yeah, will it
I
turn
know
better
it's-
inside, turn better outside?
Pulls like a son of a
See, on the bombers, one turn this way, one they offset each other. But here, I don't know if it would make a difference, but it'd be neat to know.
It seems to pull like crazy.
Took half the wing off.
Well, that's pull is not a function.
Well, I
of
mean
that.
up there
Yeah.
and down here. So
Yeah, you gonna fly tonight, or are you just gonna compete with it, or what are you gonna do?
I was hoping the wind would.
I mean,
die.
it got nice after supper last
Oh,
night.
damn wind.
Oh, it looks
Oh,
getting
you
better
should
now.
see it.
Nice.
I went
Yeah, I really like to fly it. I only
I
have.
went
Oh, we'd love to
flights
see it. Yeah, all this work you put into it.
Turn it up like that.
You got to have safe
Beautiful.
flights.
from the
It went up
windy
like this,
school of.
and then went sideways like that.
Nice. Even the decals came out nice. You know, all the graphics and stuff.
Thanks.
Pilot matches.
Just it
They're
is.
over there flying. Good. They're over there flying.
Instead
Nice.
of an apostrophe.
Yeah, that's nice.
Yeah.
Electrical.
Ohms.
Ohms law.
Yeah, ohms.
What
He
you
knows
need-
his
Volts
stuff.
equals
What you need on
watts
this-
times
Yeah.
rounded squared or
You
something.
need to get the next pilot right on his head. Get the white Letrasets Ryan.
Oh, how great an idea is that?
That's why they pay me
That's
a
why
lot.
you get paid the big bucks.
That's right. That's
What's
right.
Put Ryan on his helmet next time.
You know, a little Letrasets.
know, they-
That- and don't tell him about it. Don't, leave a reg on it, like so he can't until it's all done.
Wendy, he didn't know it was going to be Ryan's Eagle, the
Boy,
first
I'll tell
one,
you,
Oh,
you're-
okay.
until he saw it all done
You
with the
can buff
decal.
mine
on it.
Okay, good. Yeah,
And I
yeah.
also, we
This ain't buddy.
got my
This is
picture
this
taken
is
for
an
third place. We
automobile.
got Ryan in the
That's
picture.
automobile.
Beautiful.
The two of us are in.
Beautiful.
Yeah, it's good. It's good. But we're gonna, I'm learning.
No buffing, huh?
Oh, yeah, right.
Well, there's no buffing. Or did you buff this?
Oh, I
You buffed that?
yeah.
Why?
And 10% nitro won't touch that. Won't do anything to it, right?
Why?
Well, that's
know.
right. You're electric. What the hell?
What you buffing
If your
with?
battery
What you buffing with?
overboils and you get some acid on there, it still won't hurt.
There's no acid in the battery, Joe.
2000,
Those electrons, they eat into the hinges, though.
2000 I used.
Hey, I got a care
Wet
package
sanded
for
it
you.
Okay, good.
Whatever you
and
do.
then buffed it right at the body shop.
I got stuff for you. Let me go get it. Let's do.
Spinning
Let's
rubber.
do.
Let's do our.
Let's do our big exchange. Yeah.
That's right.
Buddy WEIDER, round 2. Number 1 guy.
And I am so glad that I have shot footage over the many years. I started shooting footage in 1987 with the help of Ken Budensink, who gave me a video camera. Anyway, beside the point, Buddy is truly one of the people I remember with always thinking nice things about him. He was a wonderful father and a wonderful husband and a craftsman and a meticulous craftsman, and built a kit COBRA from scratch with his son, among other things, and all of the things, and a great pilot and a great friend. Many, many times the interaction we had, even when we were young, he was a better flyer than I was. He was a student of John DeTavio's with the JD Falcon. Buddy, we miss you dearly. So I hope you did enjoy the video. If you did, hit the like button. And guys, one and all, thank you so much for watching and supporting the channel.